Hi, I'm Ted Burke. I'm a member of the team that created RoboSlam, which is a one-day workshop which introduces people to building robots from very low-cost parts. In our workshop, participants begin with a bag of parts like this, and over the course of the day they construct and then program a robot which ends up looking something like one of these type of robots here. And then they compete in a competition against other participants in the workshop at the end of the day. We found that it was a very motivational type of activity for people to take part in, and a really good introduction to electrical engineering and to technology in general. So we wanted to try and harness the power of that in order to encourage people to consider studying STEM disciplines in college or pursuing careers in that area, and also just to motivate people to get involved in it as a hobby, help people discover how much fun it is to build robots and to find that it's not that difficult to get started. Now the robot is autonomous, which means that it makes its own decisions about what movements it's going to make. It's not remote controlled. RoboSlam, we've tried to take some of the experiences that people have, or some of the learning that people would be exposed to in that type of project work, and just distill it down into a one-day experience so that people can get a flavour for it and find out if they would be interested to spend more time working on these kind of things. Each participant begins the workshop with a pile of parts like this. However, after a few hours putting these parts together, what each participant ends up with is something more like this. So on this website, roboslam.com, what you're going to find is information about this kit of parts here, which is going to be used to build a robot. You're going to find a set of instructions for assembling that into a robot, like this one here, which you will do during the workshop, and then also separate instructions for how to program the robot to control its behaviour. So this robot, for example, is programmed to scan around in a circle, and using its rangefinder try to detect when there's an object in front of the robot, and once it detects an object, to drive forwards and push that object off a table. So I'm going to try this one out now, switch it on. So we should see initially the wheels going in opposite directions, and when I put it down on the table, it's going to look around for an object. Once it detects an object, it drives forward to try and push it off the table.